Welcome to Clarity Guide. Today, this message is for anyone who feels broken, tired, or lost. Listen carefully, because this moment can rebuild your entire life. Life breaks all of us in different ways. Sometimes through pain, sometimes through people, and sometimes through our own mistakes. But being broken is not the end. It is the beginning of a stronger version of you. Every crack in your heart carries a story. Every scar on your mind shows your strength. Nothing you faced was wasted. Everything you lived through is shaping you into someone powerful. Rebuilding yourself starts inside. Not with muscles, not with money, but with a new way of thinking. When your thinking changes, your whole life changes. Tell yourself today, I'm not finished, I am rebuilding. Your past does not define you. Your comeback does. Your new decisions will open new doors. Your new mindset will create a new life. Take a step forward, even if it is small. A small step every day becomes a big change over time. One moment of courage can rewrite your whole story. You rebuild yourself when you refuse to stay broken. You rebuild yourself when you choose hope over fear. You rebuild yourself when you rise from disappointment and say, I'm stronger than this. Remember, no one in this world can stop a person who decides to rebuild their mind, their heart, and their purpose. You are not weak. You are becoming unbreakable. Your new version will shine brighter than ever before. Welcome your next chapter. Rebuild yourself, because your power is real. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.